Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking where your cloud will live. Saved messages or a private channel works. Sign in, make sure Cloud Sync is enabled, and pick Wi-Fi for large uploads. Once done, open the chat and drag or share your files directly into it. Make sure to name files consistently for quick search later. You can add captions as tags. Don't delay. Start with a small folder to confirm upload speed and visibility before moving larger archives. Now organize. Create a naming scheme like YIMMDD type description so you can filter by date or type. Once done, pin key messages or use folders in channels to group related files. If you handle many files, set up a Telegram bot or desktop script to auto-upload new items from a watch folder. This saves time and avoids manual errors. Make sure to test automation with a sample file and finish by securing and syncing. Turn on two-step verification and review active sessions to limit access. Once done, periodically export critical archives to local storage or another cloud for redundancy. If a file won't upload, first check your network and upload limits, then confirm the chat or bot has permission to accept large files. Make sure to retry on a stable connection. If automation errors persist, inspect logs and token scopes to fix permission or rate limit issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.